Jim, you were on Meet the Press about a week ago, and you talked about something you're very passionate about, and something I don't think we talk enough about caring about our people. And you hit Democrats in particular for being pro-trade, the idea that countries outside of the U.S. steal our jobs and they can pollute as much as they want. Let's take a quick listen to what you said.
I've always wanted to know why the Democrats didn't say, you know what, we need a defense against the countries that take our jobs and pollute all over. Well, we don't care about that. What we care about is when workers come to this country from other countries, they get jobs. Why don't we care more about our people?
Jim, why are Democrats missing the boat here?
I didn't think my view was so radical. Since I said it, I have been inundated with people who said, listen, that was the common sense view. That's what we thought the Democrats stood for. Now some people feel it is what the Tea Party stands for. Holy cow. I mean, all I can tell is that is a very Lyndon B. Johnson Democratic stance that I'm taking, which is that we got to grow the pie, get all our people that we can jobs. Let's not let other countries take our jobs away. Free trade's become a religion. You can't even question it. All I am doing is saying, if you really believe in climate, if you really believe in global warming, well, who is the principal enemy of the climate? It's China. Who takes our jobs and then exports stuff to us? It's China. We're perfectly willing to shut down our jobs and our companies in our country, but we don't care. Chinese do. But you know what? It's one big globe and one big atmosphere. If you really care about global warming, you should be fighting the Chinese, not the American companies.
I think that's such a great point, and thank you for stating. And one other thing that we've been talking about, Jim, is the fact that stock market's doing pretty well, corporations are doing pretty well, but wages are totally stagnant, rose just a tiny bit this past year. Is that just what our economy looks like now, or is that something that you think is going to change?
I think that if worldwide sales pick up, it would change. But China's slowing down again. Europe is still in a difficult position. Our employment number was a travesty on Friday. Now, a lot of people tried to explain that away. I've done a lot of work on this. You can't explain away an employment number. That employment number was weak. We are not creating enough jobs. Now, you could say, I blame it on the Republicans, blame it on the Democrats. I don't care. We're not getting enough jobs. And because of that, we have too many people who work here who are looking for jobs, not enough jobs. But you know what? Immigration is another thing we're not allowed to challenge. Hey, let's bring everybody in from overseas because the people here, well, you know what? I mean, they were here before. So what? Why are these issues not discussed? Why is that? Why am I an anathema to a whole group of people by say, well, wait a second. Maybe the immigration thing's not that great when we have way extra supply of workers right now.
Well, you're not anathema to me because I've